In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a PPT presentation with pictures on your PC. Let's launch the Microsoft PowerPoint app. Take a blank presentation from here. Here, you will see some existing text boxes. Delete these text boxes by selecting them and pressing Delete on the keyboard. To add pictures to the slide, you need to go to the Insert menu, then Pictures. In the drop-down, you will get three options. One is for inserting a picture from your computer. The second one is for inserting pictures from stock images. And the last one is for inserting pictures from online. I will select this device and add my picture. If you go to the Stock Images option, you will be able to insert the available stock images from Microsoft. If you go to the Online Pictures option, you can insert an image of anything. But there is a risk of copyright claims when using online pictures. As we have added our picture, let's format it. You can change the picture to a shape as well. Double-click on the picture. This will open a new menu in the menu bar. In this menu, click on Crop. In the drop-down, click on Crop to Shape. Now select a shape you like from the menu. Here, you can see that my picture is cropped to a shape. You can set the cornering for the shape as well. You can resize the picture using the corner and middle points. Now, let's say you want to add a title to the picture. Go to Insert and take a text box. Place the text box on the slide and type your text. Select the text and format it however you like. You can set a picture as your background too. Right-click on the slide. In the pop-up, click on Format Background. In the right side menu, turn on the Picture or Texture Fill. Click on Insert. In the pop-up, click on From a File. Now you can select your background picture from the computer. You can add another text box to the right and add the paragraph about the picture. Now, if you need a similar kind of slide with different pictures, right-click on the slide. In the pop-up, click on Duplicate. Now, right-click on the main picture of the slide. In the pop-up, click on Change Picture.
Click on this device.
Now, select the picture you want. You can edit the title and text easily from here. Following these steps, you can make a PPT presentation with pictures easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.